The horse is a hit. I like to chew on it. Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Ride 'em, cowgirl.
Oh, that's great.
This is the best thing I ever saw. She made it move.
Woo! You need your fingers in order to hold on, honey.
Way to go.
Don't make yourself puke on them. You gonna christen them?
I'm gonna puke
With a little
on the horse.
Bohemia?
Puke on the horse.
He's so excited.
Hey.
Lily, what's a dragon say? Whoa, jeez. Whoa. Okay, well this thing could take a licking. I'm scared.
I don't think she can come out of it.
She's gonna be all black and blue.
Hi. Yeah. It's the excitement horse. Yeah.
I feel like there should be mats around her like a freaking fucking bronco.
That's not the way you ride a horse. Horses won't like when you bite them.
Are you kidding? If she was on a horse, she'd be pulling his mane like she does to my horse. What? Is that good? Is that
Yeah,
yay?
that's the best. Hi.
Yeah, you're wearing yourself out.
Rah. Attack. Pokemon Go. Use the bite attack.
Whoa, God. I just want to save her. I'm right here, honey. I'll catch you after you fall and break your head open. I'll bring you right to the doctor.
Honey. Yeah. Way to go. You do 8 seconds. You're the champ.